dear student, welcome to the online classes of SDPS. In today's video for 10th class in English reader, I will tell or teach a lesson, the 100 races second, part second. Now in the last videos I have told the summary of the lesson 100 races first, in which you have read that the main character of the story is Panda Protesky. In up to the story in 100 races part first में you have come to know, आपको जानकारी हो चुकी है that कि the other American girls like Peggy and Maggie teased Panda too much that she decided to leave the school. They called him by their nickname and they made fun of him by asking every day about her dresses. She told that she has 100 dresses all lined up in a cupboard of different colors and shape. Now in part 1 there is a dressing competition. For girls has to design the dresses of different colors on the paper, and for boys they have to make kite bikes on the papers. Now when the result of the competition was declared, Miss Mehman declared she was the class teacher of room number 13. She declared that Panda Protesky has won the first prize for the girls. But in the chapter the 100 races second, the summary. When the class was watching Panda beautiful sketches of dresses, Miss Mehman received a note. उन्हें एक पत्र प्राप्त होता है from Panda's father, एक पांडा पिता का. It gave information about Panda and his brother. वह पत्र में या नोट में उसके भाई और उसकी सूचना थी. Jack leaving the school since they have shifted to a big city. वो स्कूल छोड़ चुके थे और क्योंकि वो बड़े शहर में शिफ्ट हो चुके थे. The note also has an indication complaint. इस नोट में इंडायरेक्ट कंप्लेंट की थी. It said that no one will make fun of their name and call them Polacks because there would be many foreigners with funny names in the big cities. The whole class was silent. पूरा बच्चा शांत था. Miss Mehman was unhappy and upset. She said that she hoped none in the class would purposely hurt somebody because her name happened to be unfamiliar. She expected everyone to think about the whole matter. Maddie could not concentrate on her study. अपने ध्यान पे अध्ययन नहीं कर सकती थी during the first period पहले पीरियड दरमियान, because she felt guilt, क्योंकि उसे अपराध बोध हो रहा था. She had remained silent. वह शांत रही थी. When Peggy and the other girls teased Panda, जब पैगी और लड़कियां बांडा को चढ़ाती थी, टीच करती थी, and asked question about 100 races वाले प्रश्न पूछती थी. She knew, वह जानती थी it was only एक क्लब था. She wanted to meet and tell Panda, वह बांडा से मिलकर बताना चाहती थी that she had never been to hurt her. उसे चोट पहुंचाने का मतलब नहीं था. Peggy also had the same thought. Peggy ने भी वही विचार थे. So after school was both headed for the bogging out. Bogging out was the name of the place where Panda Protesky lived. It is a poor place of living. On their way to Panda's house, Peggy had tried to console himself by saying at least she did not make fun of her name, called her foreigners. The White House where Panda lived, जहाँ रहती थी, had a deserted look. कोई नहीं था. They looked at the door, देखा no खटखटाया, but got no reply. While returning लौटते समय, she said that perhaps her asking question about Panda dresses had given her idea for her drawing के लिए दे चुका था. She might have not been won the contest if she had not asked her question. Maddie could not sleep that night. Maddie रात नहीं सो सकी. She was thinking only about Wanda. Wanda सोच रही थी Aras and her beautiful drawing and Peggy's idea about them. This she thought was unfair. She could not make amend for hurting Wanda, but she took her resolve. नेवर टू स्टैंड, उसने निश्चय लिया, क्या लिया कि नेवर टू स्टैंड साइलेंटली, कभी चुप के शांत नहीं खड़ी रहेगी बहन संबंध ट्रीटेड अनकाइंडली, जब कोई किसी को अनकाइंडली ट्रीट करता है पर्सन ऑन अकाउंट ऑफ हिज फनी फेस और नेम के कारण और देयर पॉवर्टी अथवा उनकी गरीबी के कारण। सी वुड ट्राई नेवर टू मेक एनीबॉडी अनहैप्पी अगेन, वह कोशिश करेगी कि कभी किसी को खुश नहीं करेगी। That Saturday afternoon, उस सैटरडे दोपहर बाद both wrote a letter to Wanda लिखा पत्र। They wanted to write an apology letter, वे क्षमा वाला पत्र लिखना चाहते थे, but it turned out to be a friendly letter, पता चला। They told her about her winning the contest and that everyone liked and appreciated her trying. They asked her how she liked her new places and her new teacher. They signed it with a lot of X for love. They did not receive any reply from Wanda. उन्हें उस पत्र का कोई रिप्लाई नहीं मिला वांडा से। Wishing everybody, Peggy almost forget about it. वह भूल गई थी and Maggie did not. She often went to apply जाती to sleep, giving speeches of safeguarding Wanda from the tears. Near Christmas, जब क्रिसमस के पास मिस मेमिन रिसीव्ड ए लेटर फ्रॉम वांडा, मिस मेमिन वांडा से पत्र प्राप्त हुआ, विशिंग एवरीवन हैप्पी क्रिसमस कह रही थी। शी सेड दैट शी मिस्ड द स्कूल एंड हर न्यू टीचर डिड नॉट इक्वलाइज मिस मेमिन, मीन्स कि वो मिस मेमिन के बराबर नहीं थी। शी आस्क्ड हर टू गिव द ड्राइंग फॉर द क्लास एज अ गिफ्ट एंड टू गिव द ड्राइंग ऑफ द क्वीन ड्रेसेस टू पैगी एंड द ब्लू वन टू मैडी। Both Peggy and Maddie were happy to receive the special gift. They understood what Wanda had received their letter and was angry with them. कितना नाराज थे। Maggie Van looked closely at the drawing. जब उसने पास से ड्राइंग को देखा, found her that की her face was drawn on it that उसमें उसका चेहरा खिंचा हुआ था, ड्रा किया गया था। She ran to Peggy पास भागी and saw Peggy's face found Peggy's gift में देखा। So Wanda has specially drawn those sketches for them. She liked them after खैर वो उसे पसंद करती थी। या होमवर्क, dear student, I have told this summary of this lesson. So I have written 3 questions from the book. या homework, you have to write the answer of this question. Your first question, what did Mr. Potency letter say? क्या पत्र कहता था कि वांडा उसका भाई जैक है वो स्कूल छोड़ के चला गया है बिकॉज दे हैव शिफ्टेड टू अ बिग सिटी। हाउ डिड मिस मेमिन कम टू नो दैट वांडा हैज लेफ्ट द स्कूल फॉरएवर, कैसे छोड़ गया, पता चला कि उसने स्कूल हमेशा के छोड़ दिया। फ्रॉम मिस्टर पोटस्की लेटर्स, इज मिस मेमिन एंग्री विद द क्लास, के नाराज है और सी अनहैप्पी और अपसेट, अथवा वह अनहैप्पी और अपसेट है। सो यू विल राइट द आंसर्स ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन, दैट्स इट।